guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing? I'm blessed, you're blessed. Today I'll be making some cornbread casserole or cornbread shepherd's pie, whichever. Combine these two different kind of beef. I'm just blending it with my hand. So it's the medium and the lean ground beef. I just didn't only want lean ground beef. I want a little bit of fat from the medium. In the meantime, let me preheat my pot. No time to add my ground beef. Crush my garlic, just one peg of garlic. If you would like more garlic, you could add more garlic. I'm just using one. Said I like to season my ground beef while it's cooking, so I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and of course my Vegeta. A little seasoning salt and the garlic powder. I'm waiting to add the salt because I don't want it to oversalt. So after it's cooked a bit, I'll taste if it needs salt, then I'll add the salt. A bit of soy sauce. Not too heavy on the soy sauce. So now I'll give this a cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Coming along nicely. The taste to see if it needs any salt. No salt. So I'll add a little oyster sauce. Now it's time to add my peppers and onion, green onions, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, all going in one time. For my corn. And this is frozen corn. You could always use corn in the can, but I use frozen corn. So remember that flour and water mixture that I made? It's time to thicken my gravy. Could always use cornstarch, but for this recipe I prefer to use the flour and water. This looks so delicious, and believe me guys, it tastes delicious too. So now I'll turn this off to cool before adding my cornbread mixture. Time for my cornbread. So 2 packs festival mix. Just 3/4 cup milk. 5 tablespoons melted butter. Now I'll add my eggs. 2 eggs. Time to bake my casserole, or what do you say, cornbread shepherd's pie. Let's see. Spread in my ground beef. Now I'll add my cornbread mixture right on top. Ready for the oven. Some honey to the top. For the reveal. So guys, from my amazing house to yours, one love. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. One love. Let's get me some of this gooey, nice, delish. I want to taste it. I had some more gooiness. Mmm.
Shepherd's pie, there we go.
Cornbread shepherd's pie.